Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to just make something. It's gonna be just a few stairs. It's gonna be something that I really need to just grab something from my wardrobe, which is sometimes difficult. Today is gonna be the tool day. I've got so many tools and I will use them. This all looks like, the place of the... What is it? Okay. I've got my new top, which I've been looking for something like the pistachio. And I think that this color it is okay. It looks nice with the brown colors. I don't know, it is from the otherStories and probably color it is okay. It looks really good with the brown. Maybe also will be okay with white, but I'm not sure if it's not gonna be a bit like a doctor outfit. I don't want to look like a doctor, so maybe I will keep it. Fabric it is okay, but like for this price, like over 40 euro, and otherStories quality, I am not 100% happy of this top. Ikea, quality of the Ikea never disappoint me, so I hope will be okay. Just this should be like this. I don't know, I just woke up today at 6 a.m. and I couldn't sleep. So much work on my computer with the content. Let's check page first. God, it is the worst. I never complain about Ikea, but this one it is really hard. Good. Oh. I'm not sure if this is gonna be good because I feel like this is gonna be like too small. Fine. Now the other side. I have to say it is not really easy because how difficult to just make it with this tool. It is horrible. It is really horrible, the worst. I really like much more just a typical the screwdriver. So IKEA wants to tell us that the sticker should be on the bottom. So you have to be careful when you get your instructions because there is really you have to just read everything. We need that. You need a third hand. And it is quite dark now. It is nearly like... It is so annoying today, honestly. So crazy. This won't work. Guys, I am always out of battery, but tell me how they could make something like this. Just, this is not possible to even... Oh... Just Ikea disappoint me. So when I will finish it, I will show you. For now, it is a crap. My god, it is so dark now, but I just quickly would like to show you. Just, I almost made it. So tomorrow I will just finish this video for you, and I hope you will like it, but I almost done. Welcome on the next day. I would like to show you today a ladder that I finished yesterday, really late. It wasn't easy, like I can't complain about the Ikea and the assembly instructions and everything. Always it is so easy, but this time it was quite difficult, but I made it. It's gonna be really easy to just grab something from the wardrobe or just get everywhere around my home. So looks really nice. It is not heavy, so it's gonna be really good. And I'm afraid a bit that the steps a little bit like too slim, let's say, but it is okay. You can just have this like a table, because it is this really nice. It is pure wood, so really okay. Smells good also, and it is really nice. So you can easily just for now it is really heavy. I haven't worn my gloves yesterday, I know, just because looks like this, and you can just... I saw on Ikea that you can put it on the wall, so it's really great idea. But anyway, you can just use this as a table or as I don't know, table and chair maybe. I don't know, but really good. Like I said, not easy, and I haven't worn my gloves because I didn't want to damage them. So, but this little part was really difficult this time, and well, but it is okay. Outfit today you will see on the sides, like always. I think it is just okay. I changed the brown trousers to just leather shorts. I kept the belt. I changed the boots and the tights to brown. And I think that this brown color with this pistachio green, it is just like Dubai chocolate. Exactly the same color. So I really love this two outfits together. I've got also the brown gloves, and I've got a bracelet that it is a bit difficult to wear. So maybe I should change for a different one, but I just want to wear something over the sleeve, something like a little bit differently. We can wear, of course, the long gloves, but it is really hard to put the long gloves over the blazer, and especially the blazer sleeve, but we can always try. I really love to wear any bracelets, and I've got another one. So first bracelet, it is of course not real gold, because that could be so expensive, I guess. But another one I've got like this, and I think it's gonna be also good. They are very light. See, like with this, it's not that easy. So maybe we should just try this way. Just put the sleeve a little bit up maybe, and just make it like this. Maybe something like that. It's gonna be really good when something is going on the hands. So this definitely I have to just do something about. But I like it. Over the sleeve, it is really good, but also like you're wearing this way and something it is visible from under from the sleeve, it is also great too. So this is it in my video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which outfit you like most, the first with the long brown trousers or maybe with the shorts and the Louboutin boots. So I will be waiting for your comments, and like I said, Ikea wasn't easy this time, but definitely worth it. So I wish you a beautiful day. I hope you will subscribe. If you subscribed, thank you so much, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.